Hello guys, welcome to DataFuse Analytics. Today we will be seeing 5 major challenges with Hugging Face transformers. Now it may appear that Hugging Face transformers have infinite capacities or infinite capabilities. However, transformer isn't a magic solution, no matter how beneficial they are. These are a few of the difficulties that come with them that we shall examine in this tutorial. The first major challenge with Hugging Face transformers is language. The English language is used mostly in NLP research. There are many models for various languages. However, it can be challenging to locate trained models for languages with limited resources or for rare languages. The second major challenge with Hugging Face transformers is data availability. The quantity of labeled data that our models require can be drastically decreased via transfer learning, but it is still substantial when compared to the amount of data that a person would require to complete a particular task. The third major challenge is working with long documents. Now, when we move to longer text such as entire manuscripts or entire documents, this self-attention becomes quite expensive but works incredibly well on sentence length material or a short paragraph length material. In the coming sessions in this course, we will also be covering solutions for this problem. The next major challenge with Hugging Face transformers is opacity or interpretability of models. These Hugging Face transformers are largely opaque like other deep learning algorithms. To understand why a model made a specific forecast or why a model made a specific prediction is difficult or almost impossible. This is particularly difficult task when using these models to inform important decisions. The next major challenge with Hugging Face transformer is bias. The majority of the text material used to train the transformer models comes from the internet. This causes all of the data biases to be imprinted into the models. Now it is very difficult to ensure that these are not sexist or racist or even worse than this. Now that we have seen the journey of transformers in tutorial 1 and importance of Hugging Face transformers and entire ecosystem of Hugging Face transformers in tutorial 2, let's get to implementation part from the next session onwards, and enough with these theoretical sessions. Initially, we will go through the tour of all the applications with the help of Hugging Face transformers, and then we will see an in-depth implementation of each use case. If you like this video, please like, comment, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.